Have you ever wondered why a part of your salary disappears before it even reaches your bank account? Or why your parents keep talking about tax season like it's a headache? That missing money is called income tax. In today's video, we're going to understand income tax in the simplest way possible. No complicated math, no boring legal language. So let's start from the basics. What is income tax? Income tax is a tax charged by the government on the money you earn. In very simple words, you earn money gives government takes a small portion gives, that is income tax. This money can come from a job or salary, a business, freelancing, rent, interest from savings, or even investments. Income tax is usually paid every year, and the rules depend on the country you live in. Why do we pay income tax? Many people ask, why should I give my hard-earned money to the government? Good question. The government uses tax money to run the country. Income tax helps pay for roads and highways, schools and colleges, hospitals, police and army, electricity, water, and public transport, government salaries, disaster relief, and welfare programs. So even if it feels painful to pay tax, we indirectly use that money every single day. No taxes equals no public services. Who has to pay income tax? Not everyone pays income tax. Usually, only people who earn above a certain limit have to pay it. For example, if your income is very low, gives no tax. If your income is moderate, gives some tax. If your income is high, gives more tax. This system is designed so that richer people contribute more. Poorer people are protected. This idea is called progressive taxation. What counts as income? Many people think income only means salary, but that's not true. Income includes any money you receive regularly or occasionally. Here are common types of income. 1. Salary income. Money you earn from a job or employment. 2. Business or freelance income. If you run a shop, online business, or work as a freelancer. 3. Rental income. Money you earn by renting out a house, shop, or land. 4. Interest income. Interest from bank savings, fixed deposits, bonds. 5. Investment income. Money earned from shares, mutual funds, dividends. All of these together form your total income. What is a financial year? Income tax is calculated for a financial year, not a calendar year. A financial year is a 12-month period used for accounting and taxes. You earn money during the financial year and pay tax on that income later. So, first, you earn, then you calculate, then you pay or file your tax. Direct tax versus indirect tax. Income tax is a direct tax. That means you pay it directly to the government. You cannot shift it to someone else. Examples of direct tax: income tax, property tax. Indirect taxes. These are taxes you pay without realizing it. Sales tax, GST, VAT. When you buy a product, tax is already included in the price. So income tax equals direct. GST equals indirect. Is income tax bad? Income tax itself is not bad. The problem is lack of awareness, poor planning, fear of complicated rules. When people don't understand taxes, they panic, make mistakes, or avoid filing completely. But once you understand the basics, income tax becomes manageable and predictable. What are tax slabs? Tax slabs decide how much tax you pay based on your income. Think of tax slabs like steps on a ladder. Low income gives low tax or no tax. Medium income gives medium tax. High income gives higher tax. You are not taxed at one single rate on your entire income. Instead, your income is divided into parts, and each part is taxed differently. This system is made so that lower income earners are protected. Higher income earners contribute more. This is called a progressive tax system. A simple way to understand tax slabs. Imagine income is divided into buckets. First bucket, no tax. Second bucket, small tax. Third bucket, higher tax. Only the money that enters a higher bucket is taxed at a higher rate, not your full income. This is one of the biggest misunderstandings about income tax. What are deductions? Deductions help you reduce your taxable income. In simple words, total income. Deductions equals taxable income. Deductions are like discounts on tax. The government allows deductions to encourage good financial habits, like saving money, investing, buying insurance, planning for retirement. Common types of deductions. Some popular deduction categories include 1. Savings and investments. Money you invest for long-term goals often gets tax benefits. 2. Insurance. Health insurance and life insurance premiums can reduce tax. 3. Education. Some education-related expenses or loans get tax benefits. 4. Home-related benefits. Buying or owning a home may reduce tax liability. You don't need to remember section numbers. Just remember that smart planning can lower tax legally. What is tax exemption? Exemptions mean some income is not taxed at all. That income is excluded before tax calculation. Examples may include certain allowances, specific benefits, some government-approved incomes. So, deductions reduce taxable income. Exemptions remove income from tax completely. Both help you pay less tax. Old tax system versus new tax system. Many countries offer two tax systems, old system. Higher tax rates, many deductions and exemptions, good for people who save and invest a lot. New system, lower tax rates, very few deductions, simple and hassle-free. There is no universally best option. The better system depends on your income, your savings habits, your financial goals. What is tax planning? Tax planning means arranging your income and savings to legally reduce tax. It is 100% legal, smart, necessary. Tax planning is not tax evasion. Tax evasion is illegal. Tax planning is legal and smart. Start tax planning early, not at the last minute. Common tax mistakes to avoid. Many people make these mistakes. Waiting till the last day, not understanding tax slabs, ignoring deductions, not filing returns because no tax is due, trusting random advice without knowledge. These mistakes can lead to penalties, stress, lost money. Why filing tax returns is important. Even if you don't owe tax, filing returns is useful because it proves your income, helps in loans and visas, creates financial history, avoids future legal issues. Filing returns is a financial responsibility, not just a rule. How is income tax paid? Income tax is not always paid in one single payment. There are different ways tax reaches the government. 1. Tax deducted at source (TDS). This is common for salaried people. Before your salary reaches your bank account, employer calculates estimated tax. Tax is deducted automatically. Remaining amount is paid to you. So many employees pay tax without even realizing it. 2. Advance tax. If you earn money from business, freelancing, side income, you may need to pay tax in parts during the year. This system exists so that people don't delay tax payment. Government gets regular income. 3. Self-assessment tax. After calculating your final tax, if something is still unpaid, you pay the remaining amount yourself. This usually happens before filing your return. Salaried versus self-employed. Salaried people. Tax mostly deducted automatically. Easier process. Employer handles many things. Self-employed people. No automatic deduction. Responsible for calculation. Must track income and expenses. Self-employed people must be extra careful with planning. What is an income tax return? An income tax return (ITR) is a form where you tell the government how much you earned, how much tax you paid, what deductions you claimed. Think of it as a financial report card for 1 year. Filing ITR is proof of income, proof of tax compliance, a legal requirement in many cases. Why filing ITR is important? Even if your tax is already paid or zero, filing ITR helps you get refunds, apply for loans or credit cards, get visas, avoid legal issues, build financial credibility. Many people skip filing and regret it later. Common myths about income tax. Let's clear some myths. If I don't owe tax, I don't need to file. Filing is often still useful or required. Filing tax is very complicated. It's simpler than most people think. Only rich people need to worry about tax. Anyone earning income should understand it. Saving tax means doing something illegal. Legal tax saving is allowed and encouraged. Beginner tips for income tax. If you're new to income tax, remember this. Start early. Don't wait till the last minute. Keep records of income and savings. Understand your tax slab. Learn basic deductions. File returns on time. Don't panic. Tax is a skill, not a fear. Understanding income tax once will help you for your entire life. Income tax is not something to fear. It's something to understand and manage. If this full series helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.